Hi, my name's Adam Booth and I'm a geophysicist, which pretty much means I'm interested in exploring for things buried in the ground beneath your feet. Now, Line of Duty fans watching the final episode may have heard DI Steve Arnott refer to a geophysical radar system and a diffracting response when hunting for evidence in the form of this box buried beneath a suspicious concrete floor. So, what is Steve talking about? How do we use radar in forensics? Let's do an explainer. Imagine radar like an X-ray for the ground. Take this suspicious situation. A new concrete floor, hastily laid over building foundations. It looks dodgy to me, but we need a way of imaging if there's a suspicious box in the ground before we commit to digging it up. My willing volunteers, Steve and Kate, come along with their radar system, and it features two antennas, a transmitter and a receiver. The transmitter fires off some radar energy, and Kate's computer will record a little blip, which corresponds to energy reflected from the base of the concrete and returned to the receiving antenna at surface. But we also receive energy bounced or diffracted from the box, so we get another blip. We keep imaging as Steve pulls the radar along, getting reflections both from that lower interface and from the box. We can interpret the flaw in the data, and the image of the box is this curved shape, a so-called diffraction hyperbola, or as Steve puts it, a diffracting response. That's a telltale sign of there being some discrete feature in the ground, maybe evidence of the crime. Now here's some real radar data. See all those diffractions? This is a case of environmental crime, where someone has illegally buried two wrecked cars instead of scrapping them responsibly. No sign of the burial at surface, but clear evidence in the radar data, and that's where you might want to dig. So there you go, the case for geophysics rests, and keep your eyes peeled for more geophysics in future series of Line of... Sorry, excuse me. Speaking, Chief Superintendent Hastings, stop using Line of Duty to promote geophysics or you'll terminate this video. Terminate this fella. Mother of God.